responsibility of the parents, it is the responsibility of the teachers, it is the responsibility of the state and all stakeholders like us in the Ministry of Health to enforce all these in our domains. And with this, I urge each of the stakeholders who are here to seize this opportunity, continue with wholehearted approach and share a common goal in creating a healthier and more prosperous future for our nation. And Ministry of National Health, in the end, I would like to iterate that we have also planned to hold a working group in order to develop guidelines, regulations and policies on new tobacco and nicotine-based products in light of the international practices. So this is the way forward for the ministry, but we are happy to take all the comments, and I would request the organizers to please share a detailed report, as I could not attend the previous deliberations. So if a report and with a summarizing letter is shared with the ministry, that would be helpful for us in a way forward as we advance our stance to those parliamentarians who are also here and being represented. So I must acknowledge all of you in your dedication to work with the ministry and supporting the government in sorting out ways how we can and we should increase the prices. We should make people non-affording in terms of buying these products, its use, and certain things are beyond our control, but at least in each and every person's capacity we should be, I think I would rather convey it is a duty of each and every individual in his or her capacity to make this country smoke free and tobacco free. With this, I thank you all, and